Hello friends, the title of the video is How the British Overcame the Marathas. East India Company started its political victory from the Battle of Plassey of 1757. During this 18th century, the biggest rival to East India Company was the Maratha. Finally in 1818, Maratha were defeated by the East India Company. Thus, East India Company became the supreme political authority after 1818 by defeating the Marathas. There were many reasons for the defeat of Maratha. The reasons included political, economic, social and cultural. But I want to share the different perspective for the defeat of Maratha by the East India Company. This different perspective is as follows. William Henry Tone was an English East India Company official. He served in the army of one of the Maratha rulers towards the end of 18th century. According to him, the Maratha cavalry was only paid a daily ration of flour. Maratha rulers occasionally pay cash salary to their soldiers. To recover the arrears of the pay, the troop had to sit on dharna or strike. The Maratha had one of the most powerful armies in the world during that period. But it was defeated by the East India Company. So, why was East India Company successful against the Maratha? The East India Company had the ability to manage the money. East India Company had managed the taxation much better so that they could depend on revenue to pay their soldiers. On the other hand, Indian soldiers in a local army had to organize his own horse and even his own arms. This stark difference in army management between East India Company and Maratha defined the success of East India Company. To conclude, the better modern practice of management helped East India Company to defeat the Maratha. Thank you for watching my video.